Vineet Bhatnagar, the MD and CEO at PhillipCapital India, joins us on the sidelines of their conference, which gets kick-started today in Mumbai. Vineet, hi, good morning and congrats much for the conference. Big day for you guys. The Midcap Conference, tell us what's the theme and rationale behind putting up a Midcap Conference right now when there's just so much amount of interest in the Midcap names. Tell us what are the companies which are going to be featured.
So we have put together actually an ensemble of about 15 companies. They range in market cap, which are mid cap or even small cap in some of the cases. We have named it as an ideation series, primarily because of the combination of reasons why we have selected these companies. One is obviously, there has been lesser attention and focus on some of these names. We believe that there is value in it. We believe that they have established product and management credibility. They also have organized and formal businesses that have lost attention of the investor groups over the last couple of quarters. So the names that we have put together are from a variety of sectors. We have consumer durables, where we have selected names like Vito Switchgears, MIRC Electronics, HPL Electric Power, PG Electroplast. We have companies from specialty chemicals and pharmaceuticals. We have Vidhi Specialty. We have Laza Super Generics. We have picked up a company from chemical bond, which is actually in the business of water chemicals and water treatment chemicals. We have Laza Super Generics, for example, is in the business of a very niche segment of animal APIs and animal healthcare. We have White Organic, which is in the business of organic retail farming, which is on an uptick. Most of the companies that we have put together are quite niche and reasonably strong in terms of the competition that they have in their own sectors. So I can go on to talk about some of these, but this is just a snapshot and a glimpse of 15 companies that are a part of the conference today.
I don't track all those 15 companies, but two I track and where I have follow-up questions. One is MIC Electronics and second is Saregama. Now, disruption is the word for both these companies. Saregama's business because of digital music has got completely challenged. MIC Electronics, once upon a time, Onida was the owner's pride and neighbor's envy. It is now not the most go-to brand also.
Yes, I think you are very right in the sense that they have restructured and reorganized their businesses. I think that is also the reason why some of these companies have been put together. You are right that Saregama, on the back of one of the leading owners of the digital music library, but also because there has been some restructuring in the management. The new CEO, who is the ex-CMO from Tata Sky, has taken charge, and therefore the attention and the interest is greater from our end. MIRC is also, as you rightly pointed out, was once the owner of Onida, no longer visible on the shelves these days, but they have also started reorganizing their businesses and are good competition to names like Samsung and LG. Vito Switchgears, one of the oldest switchgear manufacturers, have a credible competition that they pose to names like Havells and V-Guard. So these are really the reasons why these companies have been put together to be showcased to our institutional investors this morning.
Okay, Vineet, great speaking with you. Enjoy your conference, and we'll chat once the conference is done and try and find out what were the takeaways from the conference.